Good morning, everyone. Call me lazy, but it's just so much easier putting on shoes without undoing the laces. Although that is how I ended up breaking my nail. So maybe I should learn from my mistakes. This lovely morning, Matcha and I did a 2-hour walk outside. I got a chance to call 2 people on the phone today. One of them being my best friend KK, who goes to school in Texas. We kind of did a little switcheroo because she's from Idaho, then went to Texas, and I'm from Texas, and now I go to school in Idaho. And hearing from her is always such a joy because she's just like a little ball of sunshine. We're going to the vet this morning. Matcha has his physical exam as well as getting a Bordetella shot because as summer comes up, I'm going to be doing a lot of traveling, and for some trips I'm going to be able to have some family and friends watch him, but there is a possibility that I will need to get him boarded, and they require him to have this specific shot. So that's what he's doing today. He has no idea. I started reading this new book called Book Lovers. I'm barely even into it, but so far it is really, really cute and I'm hooked. It was always so hard for me to get into reading books because I would get really bored within the first chapter. But that one is really good. I'm gonna drop off some thank you cards. I wrote a couple. My garage is opening, don't worry, I'm not forgetting. Ooh, it's gonna be such a good day. As we all know, I love doing carpool karaoke with Caro, so we're doing it.
I could tell where your head was at when I found you. You know the fixings that are broken, so I was over stressed out without you.
Yesterday I got back from Utah. I had the best, most fabulous weekend. I felt so loved by my friends who made my 20th birthday probably one of the best birthdays that I've ever had in my life. Now, you know, we're back into the routine of things. I've got a busy week of school, and then something exciting is coming up in 2 weeks. Woo! Seriously over the moon about it. My reaction to the surprise is in my birthday vlog, so you should go see that because I was like, the rest of the day today looks like I've got 4 assignments to do for BizStat. I need to finish editing a video, and then I booked a Pilates Legree class at 4:30 tonight. That should be really fun. I've been really loving Pilates, but I'm making sure not to do it like too much. I want to space it out. One of my favorite drinks at Starbucks is the Grande iced brown sugar shaken espresso. So I made one at home the other day. Tasted better than Starbucks, and I made it with my Nespresso. That's really exciting because there's no other coffee shop that even makes something remotely close to that. And so the fact that I can make it at home now and probably save a lot of money is just music to my ears. You know that I've gone full-blown mother when I'm bringing the yellow folder into the vet. This is crazy. He did so good. I feel so bad though because they stuck something up his bum to take his temperature, and he got like 3 shots. Just finished up some studying and homework on the couch, and I was craving a poppy, so today's flavor is root beer. This is my new obsession. And then the doorbell rang, and I got this sweet little package from Clinique. I don't know what's inside of it, so let's open it up. Ooh. We have a Moisture Surge Hydro Plumping Lip Treatment, and then it looks like this is just a regular moisturizer, which I'm always in desperate need of because my skin gets so dry here. Hey, it's okay. It happens to the best of us.
In the brief, I did realize that in some of the slides, when I say reference slide X, the campaign objective sellers, so those are why.
I just got off a work call. I had one class earlier today, which you guys saw, and that was microeconomics. The second round of midterms are coming up next week, and I'm already stressing out about it. I'm glad that the semester's flying by, but it's also stressing me out. The rest of today is gonna be pretty busy as well, so I think I'm gonna take a nap really quick. As y'all know, I am going to be teaching bar workout classes, and so I'm doing this semester-long course where you teach a new bar workout that you write every week. And so I have that at 4 o'clock and right now it's 1:13. So I think I'm gonna take a quick nap. Maybe I'll take Matcha on a walk, and then immediately after I have BizStat, which is my night class, and that always drains me because I go to bed early and that class literally gets out around 9. So yeah, busy day. Tuesdays and Wednesdays are my busiest days, but then the rest of the week is perfect. Just woke up from my 1 hour nap. That was very much needed. And I opened up a case of some Alani Nu orange energy drinks. I posted my first impression rating on TikTok. Gave this one an 8 out of 10. It's pretty good, I won't lie. Typically orange is not my go-to. This one's pretty good for being orange. So I gotta pack my backpack because right after my bar course, I am going straight to BizStat. So the child is all fed, so I can cross that off the list. I'm trying to think of what else I might need. I feel bad because every day Matcha and I go on our daily walk, but like I mentioned earlier, Tuesdays and Wednesdays are just so busy that I genuinely do not have time. I don't know, I feel like I'm already squeezing so much into my day that I just do not have time to take him on a walk. But you best believe every other day we go on those things. I just got out of my bar teaching course and now I'm quickly back at my car. It started raining right when I got out of the building. Jacket is going on because I have a night class right after. I can't stop and get dinner somewhere. So my post-workout snack is this Quest cookies and cream bar. I was looking forward to this my whole entire workout. I'm obsessed with Quest.
Stay a while, moving to the music. I can see you smile, thinking that I've lost my mind, and you're the reason why. Don't look down.
I just got out of BizStat. It's literally freezing right now. I cannot wait to go home, see the child. I just got out of my accounting class and I've got like 2 hours to kill, so I'm gonna go to Aaliyah's Coffee House, which is one of my favorite places downtown. It's around lunchtime, so I'm honestly craving a really good sandwich. So I think I'm gonna get that, and then maybe I'll get a matcha as well. I was debating on whether or not to go to Goldstein's Bagels. You guys know I love Goldstein's, but I also like supporting other businesses as well. And the food here in Boise is just unbeatable. Y'all will see when I get food. First off, let's talk about how cute the inside of this little coffee house is. As much as I appreciate a nice, clean looking coffee shop that is super aesthetic, I also love the ones that don't feel like a model home or like you're walking into something that is so picture perfect that you can't get any work done or spill anything. And that is this coffee house. I tried something new on the menu today, which was the roasted pepper and portobello mushroom sandwich. This had the yummiest garlic cream cheese on it. I have a big microeconomics midterm next week, so today was all about studying for that, and I'm really glad that I had this time to get my work done. After a good solid hour of studying, I decided that on my walk back to campus, because I had one more class for the day, that I wanted to pop by a coffee shop and get a matcha. Is it really a Caroline Manning vlog if there's not a matcha featured? Oh my gosh, I'm finally home after what felt like the longest day ever. Hi, baby. Oh my gosh, he has so much energy. I feel horrible because he's been locked in the crate for like 5 hours. I got 2 packages at my doorstep. One of them I'm gonna wait to open until the rest come from Amazon. Yeah, anyways, I'm gonna be unboxing a bunch of stuff for something coming up. This is one of the packages. The other one is from Aloe. Let's go get the box cutter. I'm about to take a fat nap after this though. Like, it is happening. Oh my gosh, wait. It says, happy birthday, Caro. Love you from Kitty Cat. Wait, this is so sweet. Is this a Sherpa? Please. I love a good Sherpa. shut the front door. New favorite thing. This is like double my size. I am obsessed. It feels so soft. It's so spacious. This might be my new traveling bag. Thank you so much, Kat, if you're watching this. Love you, miss you. Aloe is one of my favorite brands, so this is like the best gift ever. Thank you. Mwah. Good morning, everyone. Matcha's biting my socks. We're going on a walk before I have my dentist appointment later today. It's a little wet and rainy, but I promised Matcha that he would get at least one walk today. So that's what we're doing. It feels amazing outside, and I feel like all the dead trees are finally growing. Like, look at that tree right there. Yeah, I have a dentist appointment in like an hour. Adulting means finding your own doctor and dentist wherever you end up moving to, and so that is what I had to do. This is my first dentist appointment here in Boise. I'm so used to the one that I go back to at home in Texas, so this is a little bit scary for me, but you know what? We're gonna figure it out. You guys are gonna come with me, and we're gonna get our teeth cleaned because nobody wants gross teeth. And I did not pay an arm and a leg for braces to not have my teeth taken care of. Let's jam out to music. This is one of my old playlists from like COVID. I forgot how good it is.
It's just you and me. Oh, yeah.
I forgot about this song.
Tell all your friends that I'm crazy and drive you mad. You want me back, you made me out.
If I'm doing karaoke, this is in my options of what I would sing.
Falling for no, you better. I am trying, wanna feel it, and we start to.
Once an EDM girl, always an EDM girl.
Trying to dim every single spark that could hurt, that could burn all of me, like a soldier on a battleground.
I missed the exit. We're doing a loop. Good thing I left early. Okay, I just got out of my dentist appointment, and the x-rays that they take are always so humbling. Actually, no, it wasn't even the x-rays. It's just like the bright flash close-up camera. Gosh, it is so humbling. Also, made me realize I really need to shave. I need to use my face razor and like shave right here because I have a mustache. Comment down below if you get those too, because I know I'm not the only one. Okay, so I got an email like while I was in the waiting room that I won something, like a raffle, because I went to this sales career fair at Boise State University. So I'm gonna go pick that up right now. How do I want to do this? I'm gonna park at Brady Garage, and then I seriously need to go grocery shopping. Like, this is bad, y'all. I've been eating frozen corn dogs and chicken nuggets, literally no food at all. So we're gonna fix that. No cavities whatsoever. They said that my teeth look great, which is always so nice to hear because I really do take care of my teeth. I wear my retainers religiously. I try to floss. I don't know, I'm a little surprised that I don't have a cavity just because of how much sugar and how big of a sweet tooth I have. Like, I eat a lot of sugar, you guys. God's looking out for me. He said no cavities for you today. Groceries have been secured. Total ended up only being $55. So I would say today was a success. Sometimes I wonder why I don't shop at Trader Joe's more. My total for all of those groceries was $55. What? And I got a lot of stuff, you guys. Usually I'm paying like $100 at the grocery store. Whew, I'm out of breath. Okay, I'm gonna go home, make a sandwich because I'm starving, and yeah, I don't know what else I'm gonna do. Also, I can't believe I forgot to tell y'all, so I literally won this cooler. I'll have to show you guys whenever I get home, but I won this freaking cooler because of that raffle thing. It's my lucky day.
conversations taste just like medication.